Hey, I'm Dalton, founder and CEO of Penrove. I'm excited to take you on a quick journey of Penrove today and show you some of the benefits our platform has to offer. In this demo, we're going to take you through the perspective of 3 different coworkers working through a common engineering workflow. Hopefully by the end of the demo, you can start to see how Penrove can help your team stay aligned, move faster, and give you a safer framework to innovate. Let's jump in.
We'll start by logging into the system as Ruby, one of our Zenith Station test engineers. Ruby selects her project and role and jumps into the system. In this example, Ruby wants to upload the latest impact test results, so she will navigate to the testing folder of the document's activity. Once in the activity, she simply clicks the plus button to upload the latest document. She can specify key details about the document, choose a type, and then simply upload it from her workstation. After she uploads, we click Create and we're routed to the new record. In the detailed document view, you'll see that your configurable document type specifies default approvers, where you can manually add them yourself if your organization prefers that. Now that the document is uploaded, Ruby decides to call our systems engineer Ben to let him know the latest results are ready for his review. Let's log into the system as Ben now to complete some requirement traceability with our new artifact. Ben's landing page is the requirements activity where he spends most of his time. In this case, Ben's our structural expert, so he navigates to that requirement spec. Once in the spec, he can see all the requirements at a glance and can even configure the columns should he want to. Ben knows that this requirement, Structure 6, is the requirement he cares about. To edit the verification of this requirement, he simply scrolls down to the verification section, clicks the pencil icon, and then all he has to do is navigate to the document artifact that Ruby uploaded. He adds it, and he can easily submit the changes and save it. With Penrove, anytime you have a linked document, you can easily preview it without leaving your current workspace, so no more hunting for where the latest version is saved. After review, Ben can easily update the verification statement and date. That way, anyone who sees this record in the future knows where to look. At this point with most tools, Ben would think he's done, but not so fast. Ben notices a banner letting him know he needs to contact his safety team. Ben decides to log out and give him a call. After a great conversation with Ben, Dana, our safety lead, decides to jump into Penrove. Dana's homepage is the safety dashboard. It gives her a quick real-time overview of the safety analysis for her project. Dana scrolls down to her pending approvals and sees that she has the test results that Ruby uploaded. She can easily click into it, view any of the recent comments that anyone has left, and log her approval as soon as she's reviewed the document. Dana leaves a quick comment regarding her approval, and if she needed to, she could edit or delete that at the click of a button. Now that Dana's all set, she wants to go check out her hazard analysis. She can do that through the hazard tracking activity or back on her safety dashboard under her hazard assignments. The main overview page gives a great one-stop shop for the latest risk overview for her hazard. Dana, being the expert, quickly finds her impact velocity causal factor. She can double-check her work and make sure everything is still up to date, and even see quick built-in references for her project's selected safety profile. Months ago, Dana helped design a mitigation and derive a requirement, now linked and verified by Ben. Normally, she'd be chasing updates, but with Penrove, everything stays connected and up to date. It'll automatically pull in the latest verification data and quickly reference the document just as before. Dana completes her review and feels confident that this mitigation is good to go. She heads over to the Mitigations tab where she can check on the latest results and status of other mitigations in the system. When Dana's ready, she can kick off a hazard review right in Penrove, capturing input from all the stakeholders in one place. If Dana's working with an external stakeholder, she can easily create a detailed hazard report that'll pull in the latest data from the system. With the click of a button, within seconds, you'll have a PDF that you can share as your organization sees fit. This report will pull in the latest hazard data as well as the requirement verification, so you don't have any manual reconciliation required. With report in hand and aligned with her team, Dana decides she's done for the day. She takes one last look to make sure she's up to date, and then decides to log off and head home early.
So that's where we'll leave things for now. Of course, this is just the beginning of Penrove. What you saw today is just a glimpse of what Penrove can do when it's tailored to meet the goals of your team. If you've got more questions or want to dive deeper into Penrove, we want to hear from you. Just reach out and let's have a conversation.